World CC Presents, your weekly outlook for Friday, January 31st, 2025. Wintry conditions for the northern portion of the country as the south has been enjoying a warm-up. A low-pressure system originating from the southwest will gather significant moisture from the Gulf, leading a line of storm mesoconvective line of thunderstorms. Much of the South and Mid-Atlantic states will feel much of the effects of this front. For the Northeast, expect rain for the beginning half of Friday, and quickly turning to snow, wintry mix. A small line of ice will build up in the southern tier of New York State and northern Pennsylvania. The colder temperatures for northern Conus and the Rockies, as a giant shift in temperature patterns begins by weekend's end. Colder temperatures over this weekend for the south and southeast, bringing these areas below the seasonal average. Warmer temperatures for the following week for a majority of the following week. An interesting weekend ahead for NYS and the Northeast, as temperatures take a roller coaster ride over this next weekend into next week. By the middle of next week, temperatures will remain above freezing for most of the week for a daytime high. Expect the next week to be a wet one as well, with snow, rain, and freezing precipitation for the whole weekend into next week. This is your weekly outlook, Rochester.
This is Weather World CC. Thank you for the support. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Subscribers can request a locale to place into the forecast out.